My name's Nicole Young. In this quick tip, I'm going to show you how to use the Paint Can tool. This is a really great and very useful tool that allows you to do a lot of things simply by clicking on your photo. I'm in the library module and I have the grid view active. I'm going to activate that Painter tool by clicking it in that toolbar. If you don't see the toolbar, press the T button on your keyboard to make it visible. I'll click once on that Painter tool, and as soon as I activate it, I have some options here that I can choose from. If I click, I can see a drop-down of quite a few options that I can work with. This first option is set to keywords. If you wanted to go through your photo and add keywords to certain images, you can type the keywords there in that box, and when you click on your photo, it will apply those keywords. You can also add color labels, a flag, ratings. There's a lot of different options here. In this tutorial, I'm going to be adding flags. So I'll select flag, and then of course I have the 3 different flags that I can work with. I can add a flag, which is that pick flag. I can unflag it, or I can reject it. I'll start out with the flagged option. Now all I need to do is hover over my image. I'll go ahead and scroll to the bottom here and start at the very bottom. Then I just simply click on a photo, and it will apply whatever I have set in the toolbar. So now I can just go through my catalog and click on each photo that I want to add that pick flag to. Now I'm going to go back down to the toolbar and change it from flagged to rejected. I have a few photos at the top that I really don't need to see in my grid view, so I'll go ahead and reject those. Let's go ahead and filter the images to see how everything looks. I'll put my paint can away. I'm going to go to the filter at the bottom, and first I'll check out those flagged images. The photos that I clicked on with that paint can are now visible here in this filter. I can also click that rejected as well so I can see them both together. The Painter tool inside of Lightroom is a really easy way to quickly add certain settings to your photos. To see more tips like this, be sure to join me this year at the Lightroom Virtual Summit from May 3rd through 7th, where a lot of other fantastic photography instructors will be sharing their knowledge about Lightroom and photography.